All right. We are live. Athletic robots. Athletic robots. Know what I'm saying? Welcome back. For those who are coming back from Mo, and for those who are new to the crew, yeah, welcome. My name's Tommy Ayers, coming at you from Iowa. And tonight we got a mixer. So we got a mix of Optic and Chronicles 2020 football tonight. So we're doing a Cello box of each. There's the chef. There's TJ. How's it going, guys? Ready to rock and roll? TJ's got the Bears in this one. So ready to rock up Mr. Muscles. But of course he wants the Darnell Moonies. But, you know, Bears got a nice trio of rookies. So, excuse me. Yeah, what it is, Mooney for days. Got quite a few Mooney cards. Let's see here. Here you go, Rick. Hey, what's up, Dwayne? Yeah. Back from Mo. Here's mine, Rick. I got Jalen Johnson and Darnell Mooney's autos on Contenders Optic. They're sticker autos. When I bought them, I thought that they were on card. My DeAndre Swift Contenders Optic auto is on card, so I don't know why the DeAndre Swift is on card, but these guys are sticker autos. So a little flex. That's the short glimpse of the Tommy PC. Just what I got displaying currently. But I do collect the Bears as well. Just in general, so I do have the Darnell Mooney clearly Donruss rated rookie. Got a Darnell Mooney Crown Royale. Panini Football. Then I got a Select. And a Cole Kmet Mr. Muscles. Certified. Yeah. You got a Ruggs Optic Auto from a break? And it had 3 players? That's always nice when you get the hits like that. But we're ready to rock and roll, kids. So it does look like got a couple of available teams. So we do have a couple of non-paid teams. So let me do a quick refresher here. Okay, we only have one now. Oh, just a second here. My home security system. My daughter's coming home. Oh, okay. All right. Welcome home, Macy.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
How was the McDonald's?
Good.
All right. Okay, so we do have the Ravens. $5.76 for the Ravens. First to comment Ravens can have them. $5.76. So they're unpaid. Hey, TJ's got them. All right. Sold to TJ. All right, sweet. Thank you, TJ. So that's easy shipping. So thank you very much, TJ. So I'll mark you down for the Ravens, and let me get this non-ping better Canceled. Okay, so Ravens, if you wonder why you don't have the Ravens, it's because you didn't pay. So TJ went ahead and picked those up, so thank you very much. Okay, so now for the starting lineup. Everything else is in it to win it, so... Yeah, Dwayne, I charge him shipping and tax. Somebody was saying they needed to get him to mow the lawn. But TJ also has the Bears, so what was that? I already forgot. It was the Ravens. Okay, so let me mark you down for the Ravens, TJ. Okay, so let's do the starting lineup. TJ has the Ravens and the Bears. So welcome back, TJ. Best of luck to you. Let's rack them up. Ryan Eaton, you've got the Niners. So welcome back, Ryan. Let's rack them up. Now, Dwayne Morris, you have the Lions and the Jaguars on my spreadsheet. So now I'll go to eBay and I'll do the remainder of the starting lineup. And welcome back, Brandon Bain. You have the Rams and the Vikes. Nice combo platter right there. Corey Elledge, you have the Cardinals and the Giants. Tyler Schultz, you have the Falcons, Browns, Texans, Saints, and the Jets. Nice set of teams there. Good luck. Luis Gonzalez, you have the Panthers, Patriots, and Seahawks. The Hacks. Good luck to you. Sylvia Atkinson, you have the Bills and the Bucks. The 2Bs. Frederick Villanueva, you have the Raiders and the Titans. Winifredo Feliciano, you have Washington. Michael Wilden, you have the Steelers. Paul Ramirez has the Eagles. Robert Palazzo has the Dolphins. Tim Sweet has the Chargers. Brian McCurt has the Chiefs. Carl Morgan has the Colts. William Morrison, Packers. Brent Ayers, there he is. Same last name as me. No blood relation that I'm aware of. However, somewhere down the line, you got to think that we're probably related somewheres. You know what I'm saying? But Brent Ayers has the Broncos out in Colorado. So welcome back, Brent. Then William Craig has the Cowboys. Todd Brinkman has the Bengals. And that there is the starting lineup. So, William, I just got you approved to participate in the live break. So, welcome. What? Whatever. Nah. It's a done deal, Slowpokey. We ready to rock and roll. But Rick, I do have a recommendation. You should look on my... Yeah, all right, William, cool. But Rick, you should look on my eBay store. I have a hobby break right now. And I think the Bears are available. I think. Let me look. I'm just going to look real quick, guys, and then we'll jump in. But you just click on it. And then you pick the team that you want. Let's see here. Yeah. No, the Bears are sold. I must have sold the Bears. Let me look at... I think I sold those to TJ, actually. But anyways, yeah. So anyways, the Bears are... I guess they're not on there. I must have agreed to sell them to somebody. But yeah, look it up on the eBay store here. I'm going to put a link to the item right now, because everybody that's on this break, if you guys would please check this out too. It's a break I'm doing right now that I have a case of H2 hobby boxes for Chronicles football. And if you just click on that, it'll take you to my listing on eBay, and you just look through the teams. They already have the prices in there. And so, find your squad. I'm trying to fill up these squads so I can break this case and move on to the next set. So, for those who are not familiar with Chronicles, there's tons and tons of hits. Like, let me show you. So these are the cellos, you know. But what I also have are the hobbies. So as you can imagine, there's quite the variety of hits coming out. So Chronicles, these will have 15 cards per pack and 12 packs per box. I don't think in the Chronicles Cellos they have anything special. I'll just be straight up. We did open 50 of these last night, and there were no autos and no serial numbered cards, you know, for what that's worth. But there were 25 Herberts and stuff. There were almost 20 of quite a few of the big dogs. But let me put this sign up a little bit higher, and then we'll get cracking. But yeah, for those of you who want a quantity of hits, Chronicles is definitely the way to go. So without further ado, now my noisemaker is a little on its last leg, so let's see what we got here today. Yeah! So, hey, there he is, Johnny Holtquist. OG, represent. What's happening? And look at this, guys. The first card out of the break is Kurt Warner, who is from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. So that's where I went to high school. So represent Kurt Warner for the Cardinals. We got a Dan Marino for the Fens. And, oh, first pack Justice for the Bengals. Let's get spicy. We got the Joey B coming at you with the base Chronicles. Colts on the board with a Jonathan Taylor, rookie. Chase Young for a Washington. Jordan Love, rookie. That's a bronze foil for the Packers. And we got some Omegas. These are exclusive to the Cellos. We got Brian Edwards and Chase Claypool. So you get 2 Omegas per Cello. Then we did get a clearly Donruss Zach Moss for the Bills. These are the acetate see-through cards. Those are sweet. Joey B coming back at you, Bengals. One more again. And Justin Herbert right behind him. So nice 1-2. Coming at you. There we go, Chadges. Got you on the board. DeAndre Swift, Gridiron Kings. Jake from State Farm. Jacob Eason. And Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. There we go, Brent. Yeah. Get the Broncos started. Hey, Johnny, if it won't let you type on the video, you might have to just click a request button or something. I mean, I don't know. I guess I need to look into that. I think it's stupid that you have to request. Myself, I'd rather just... Oh, and I always like to plug these guys. Cardshells.com is where I buy my soft sleeves. They got the Easy Glide soft sleeve notched design for less corner dangs. So, cardshells.com. That's where you'll get all these sleeves that I'm using on your cards will be from there. So, Now, for the purposes of this video, guys, I will be just casing and displaying the main guys. Excuse me. And, you know, no offense to your guy, but there will be quite a few guys that are not displayed today during the video. But I'll do the majority of the sleeving and casing after the video is over. And that thing's being stupid. But, like I do state in the auction description, I will sleeve everything that's not a base card, and the hits will go into top loaders. These will get shipped out tomorrow, so tomorrow's Monday and stuff. I don't think it's a holiday. We did that last Monday, right? Last Monday was Memorial Day, so. All right. So there we go. I mean, the first cello of Chronicles, and we're already casing 3 cards. So. All right, next cello, we got a Daniel Jones, Zeke, and Raiders got you on the board. Henry Ruggs, base Chronicles, Marquise Brown for the Ravens, Drew Brees. All right, now we got a Gabriel Davis bronze foil, Gridiron Kings, and a couple of Omegas, Tyler Johnson and Henry Ruggs. There we go, Raiders, Super Bowl champ, Tyler Johnson. And I like these because they show their face without their helmets on. So that's Tyler Johnson. And this is Henry Ruggs. I don't know, I think that's cool. Here we go, Steelers got you a clearly Donruss, Chase Claypool. Coming at you with that acetate. Cam Akers on the board for the Rams. Tyler Johnson, one more again. Michael Pittman Jr., Kenneth Murray, Zach Moss, and Antonio Gibson, Luminance. For the purposes of my arthritis as well. Randy Moss, Nick Chubb, Big Ben, Devontae Adams, Ryan Tannehill, and Tiki Barber bronze foil for the Giants. Those are the Chronicles. Got a couple Omegas, Brian Edwards and Chase Claypool again. So another Chase Claypool Omega. And, oh, here we go, Vikings. All right, look at that. Justin Jefferson. Score update. This is TJ's favorite player. Excuse me. So that's a nice hit. And back-to-back hits. Here we go, Eagles with a Jalen Hurts. Panini Football. Chase Young for Washington. CD Lamb got you on the board, Cowboys. DeAndre Swift. There we go, Lions. Henry Ruggs. The third, one more again. Raiders, we got a Luminance, and T. Higgins for the Bengals. I like these. Their Chronicles score, I suppose, is the technical. I don't know, but I call them score update. So, I'm not right, you know, a lot, so that could be not correct, but on the card it says Chronicles score, but I want to say it's score update because the original score that came out had college uniforms. I'm pretty confident, I think, really, so. I believe this would be an updated version of score, but whatevs. Aaron Rodgers. Do the Chronicles cards first. Got a Marshall Faulk, Roquan Smith, Curtis Martin, and John Elway. And here we go, Chadges. One more again with the Herbie. We got the bronze foil. Gridiron Kings, Justin Herbert. Let's do the Spice. Yeah. Nice hit. Omegas. We got the two Colts, Michael Pittman Jr. and Jacob Eason. So Colts back-to-back on the Omegas. And Chiefs, thought we forgot about ya. Got you on the board with a Clyde Edwards-Helaire clear playoff. Momentum. There's some justice. We got a Gabriel Davis, Jalen Reagor, James Robinson for the Jaguars. Another JJ. Here we go. Panini football. Let's do the Spies. Vikes racking them up. Michael Pittman Jr. and Patrick Quang for the Ravens. That time, TJ gets a Raven. I think there's supposed to be a big card show coming up, Rick, in Des Moines or something sometime soon. We should check going into that. Check out going to that. All right, next Cello Chronicles. Oh, we got a Prism Black in here, kids. Prism Black coming back. Cowboys got a CD Lamb, Chronicles, Troy Polamalu, Deshaun Watson, Derek Stiff Arm Henry, Keenan Allen. And we got a bronze foil, Chronicles, Cooper Kupp for the Rams, Omegas. Got a Darrington Evans and a JJ. All right, Justin Jefferson. Bye. Yeah. There we go, Vikes. Can't say never gave you nothing. Oh, yeah. Darrington Evans. And the Prism Black goes to Da Bears. Here we go, TJ. All right. If TJ hasn't fallen asleep yet. Yeah. Darnell Mooney for Da Bears. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Moon Man. All right. There we go, TJ. That's a rare hit for sure. Prism Black coming at ya. Isaiah Simmons. We got another Jalen Hurts. This is the Gridiron Kings for the Eagles. And here we go. Is this going to be the Burrow-Herbert combo platter? So we got another Joey B and Justin Herbert combination platter coming at ya. DeAndre Swift and Jake from State Farm. All right. That's the way we do. Oh, he on fire. He can't be stopped. That is one nice thing about Chronicles is that it goes ahead and gives out the hits. But yeah, for those of you who are interested, last night's 50 Cello break of Chronicles, we pulled 25 Herberts. He was the most quantity of, single player that we pulled. I think we might have pulled like 10 Luminance ones. I don't know. But it was pretty epic. It was like 2 hours long of just nonstop pulling the hits out of the packs. Obviously, as you can see right now, it's just a lot more packs. But, yeah, guys, so definitely check out the store, Athletic Robots. I'm trying to fill up a hobby break. And in addition to that, we'll be doing some 2021 Contenders Draft football right quick. We're going to do some blasters in a hobby box. Got to get at least one round of that out of the way, know what I'm saying? And then we also are doing a bunch of blasters of 2021 NBA Prism. So, get up on that before basketball is over with. All right, we got Stephon Diggs. And represent Iowa Hawkeyes, TJ Hawkinson, Chris Godwin, Travis Kelce, and Lamar Jackson. And we got another JJ. Here we go. This is the bronze foil, Panini Football. Represent for the Vikes. Nice hit. And here we go, Packers. Got you a Jordan Love. Look at Jordan Love's face. He's funny looking. I didn't realize that's what he looked like. But he still has his helmet on. That's not a true Omega. I want to write a strongly worded email because, yeah, like this next one. They're supposed to not have their helmet on. What is this? This Jordan Love Omega. Like, come on now. Come on now. Van Jefferson, clearly Donruss for the Rams. Luminance, Michael Pittman Jr., Patrick Queen, and here we go. About time we get one. Wrong armor, Tua Tagovailoa for the Fins. Finally got you on the board with the Gridiron Kings. We got a J.K. Dobbins for TJ, Jonathan Taylor, and Jacob Eason. Rounded out with a couple Colts. And the Optic will go much quicker. Generally, there's not, as many of the top dogs. But, I don't want to jinx that. Let's pull them all out of there, you know what I'm saying? What we're looking for, as well as the downtowns out of Optics. That'll be fun. So one Prism Black so far, and it goes to TJ on a roll. All right. So that's the first half of the Chronicles box. Let's get up into half number 2. Got a security in this one, so better be something good in here, right? What are they protecting? We got a Christian McCaffrey, Saquon, Emmitt Smith, Jerry Rice, Phillip Rivers, and Mike Evans. So those are the Chronicles. And then here we go, TJ. Got you a J.K. Dobbins Omega. Jonathan Taylor Omega. So those are 2 Omegas. And here we go, TJ. Got you another Ravens card. This is the J.K. Dobbins score update. James Robinson for the Jaguars. And another JJ. This is the Panini Football base. Justin Jefferson, Michael Pittman Jr., Patrick Queen, another Tua, wrong armor. We got you a Gridiron Kings, one more again, J.K. Dobbins, and security. Don't be stealing my Chronicles Cello. All right. Going well for TJ and for everyone because Chronicles Chronicles basically you're just gonna get quantity of hits. Usually doesn't disappoint. Jarvis Landry, Juju, Jordan Love. There you go, Packers. A.J. Brown. And Herbert. All right. We got a Justin Herbert base Chronicles. Let's do the spice. Here we go, Charges. Nice hit. Cam Newton. Bronze foil for the Patriots. And we got a couple Omegas. Van Jefferson for the Rams. And Jerry Judy for the Broncos. There we go, Brunt. Got you a Judy Omega. And Cowboys. Here we go. Got you a Legacy. CD Lamb. That's sweet. Clyde Edwards-Helaire Luminance. Cam Akers. Gridiron Kings. Tyler Johnson. Michael Pittman Jr. Kenneth Murray. And Zach Moss. Rounds out that sellout. All right. Who's next? Chronicles is the people's pack. I think Chronicles is the last 2020 set of the year. And of course it's 2021, now. But if I'm not mistaken, Chronicles is the last 2020 football set. So correct me if I'm wrong. But Jarius Jacobs, Miles Sanders, Barry Sanders, Tom Brady, there we go, the GOAT for the Bucs, Tyreek Hill, those are the Chronicles, Michael Pittman Jr., and here we go, Chadges, got you a Justin Herbert Omega. Yeah, People's Pack coming at ya. Racking up the hits, and we got a Chase Young for Washington Omega, yeah. There you go, nice hit for Washington. Jake from State Farm Clear Vision, Acetate, Jeff Okuda, Cam Akers, Denzel Mims, Tyler Johnson, Mr. Muscles, Cole Kmet, and Brandon Ayuk. I think that's the first Ayuk we've got today. Last night in the 50 Cello break, I recall pulling approximately 82. Brandon Ayuk's. So, glad to see him come out. See how many Herbies we can stack on there. Yeah, all these ones. How many Herbies can we get? Alright, next Cello. Getting down to the nitty gritty. We got a Prism Black in this pack. Wake up! Alright, we got a J.J. Watt, Warren Moon, Joey Bosa, Teddy Abridgerator, and Daniel Jones. Peyton Manning as well for Chronicles. Peyton Manning on the Colts. Omegas, we got our Joshua Kelly and Darnell Mooney. Here we go, TJ. Trying not to show the Prism Black yet. But we got a Chadges and a Bears. Omega, Darnell Mooney. Moon Man. Represent. And the Prism Black goes to the Jaguars, Laviska Shenault Jr. All right. Is this you, Dwayne? I think this is Dwayne. Let me look. I think he picked... Yeah, he picked up the Jaguars ahead of time. Nice pickup, Dwayne. So there we go. Laviska Shenault Jr. Prism Black coming at ya. All right. And back-to-back Laviskas coming back at ya with the Luminance. Yeah, there you go, Dwayne. That's a rare hit. That's the first Laviska Prism Black I've pulled. So nice hit. We got a Chase Claypool. Another Darnell Mooney. TJ. I fulfill you, Dwayne. Filling up the hits. We got a Darnell Mooney again for TJ. Chase Young. Another JJ. Here we go with a Luminance. Coming back at you, Vikes and Mr. Muscles. Gridiron Kangs. So nice pack there. Yeah, I think you got, Dwayne, you also got the CD Lamb the other day, Prism Black. And, I don't know, you might have got, yeah, I think you, yeah, and you got some Ruggs ones too. You might end up with the whole set, right? And keep rocking them up. That's cool. You just randomly decided to pick up the Jaguars and ba-bam. That's how you do it. The Jaguars, too. Imagine Trevor Lawrence throwing to this guy next season. And then his values are going to be better. So, yeah. CD, 2 Ruggs, and a Laviska Prism Black out of 3 breaks, I believe. Not too shabby. For sure. So, glad we could work that out. All right, who's next? We got Palomalu, Deshaun Watson, Stiff Arm Henry, Keenan Allen, Jim Kelly, and Dak Prescott. So those are the Chronicles. We got a couple Omegas, Keyshawn Vaughn and J.K. Dobbins. You go, TJ, racking them up. And the score update, here we go, Niners. Thought we forgot about ya. With a Brandon Ayuk score update. That's sweet. And Justin Herbert coming back at you. Here we go, Chadges. We got the Gridiron Kangs. CD Lamb, one more again. Joe Burrow, Luminance. There we go, Bengals. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Jordan Love. And CD Lamb. So Chronicles just pours out the hits. Good call, Dwayne. Going with the odds. Since there wasn't one yet. That's a good way to look at it. Some people might look at it like, oh, there's, 3 Chase Claypool Prism Blacks. I better go for the Steelers. They're hot. I don't know. So, yeah. Excuse me. It is nice to do a break with all these hits, from a breaker's perspective, because that way there's no lack of hits. Feels good, that's for sure. All right, last pack of Chronicles. Let's do this. Like I say, guys, please check the store, Athletic Robots, on eBay. I've got a hobby case of H2 Hobby Chronicles, and I'm just trying to fill the team spots, so check those out. They already got the prices in there. Bust me a message if you want to do like a package deal or whatever. But I'm trying to fill those spots so that I can break that case and stuff. So, yeah, that's true, Dwayne. Not all teams have Prism Black. Yeah, you're exactly right. Mike Evans, Derek Carr, Ray Lewis, Cam Newton, Jarvis Landry, and Jim Kelly. So those are the Chronicles. Then we got a couple Omegas. We got Jonathan Taylor and Gabriel Davis. Omegas. And here we go. Fins. Thought we forgot about you. We got you a Legacy. Wrong Armor. Tua Tagovailoa. Legacy for the Fins. Some Justice. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Jordan Love, CD Lamb, another Justin Jefferson. Racking them up, Vikes, James Robinson for the Jaguars, and DeAndre Swift. Okay. Yeah, Legacy is cool. It's a tougher card stock, not tougher, but thicker card stock. And I like the chrome, the whatever it's called, monochrome finish. Optichrome. I think, just chrome probably. Where did JJ's at? All right, let's get up in these Optic cards. But, so far we've pretty much covered everybody. So, I'm sure there'll be somebody on the video that'll chime in with somebody we haven't got, but I doubt it. Good luck. Best of luck, though, guys. This is my last box of Optic and stuff. So, best of luck. TJ, not very long ago, did pull the Walter Payton downtown out of a pack. So that was cool. Chronicles comes through again. Holy hits. Very good way to put it, TJ. That's right. It's nice to get all those hits. Now, Optic will go much faster, guys. I'm just going to burn through these. Austin Eckler, Marquise Brown, Drew Brees, the GOAT, Tom Brady, G.J. Chark Jr., and the green velocity goes to the Jets, Denzel Mims. KJ Osborne, Zadarius Smith, Dwayne Haskins, Mike Williams, Jerry Shallon, and Michael Thomas. And I'm not going to... Yeah, I'm going to case this. Case all the green velocities. Okay, next. Oh, we got a silver one in here, it looks like. Matt Ryan, Cam Newton, Joe Mixon, Jason Kelsey, Aaron Rodgers, and... Oh, Chargers, it's silver. But it's Mike Williams. Silver holo. And Chiefs, here we go. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, rated rookie. Optic, there we go. Couple nice cards there. ODB, TJ Watt, JJ Watt, Mahomes, and Teddy Bridgewater. The Optic cards, you know, they have more value. So, a little more choosy with which ones I case in Optic. So, FYI. Let me see here if I have any last minute requests. Don't believe so. So definitely check back to the store, guys, when we're back in action for 2021 football draft. Should be, I don't know, a few days. And then basketball cards too. That should be fun. Here we go with a stiff arm Henry, Max Crosby, Lamar Jackson, Cortland Sutton, Bobby Wagner. And the green velocity is Albert Agwugbunum. I'm working on that. Grand. Ashton Davis, Sterling Shepard, Drew Lock, Russell Wilson, T.Y. Hilton, and Kyler Murray. Who's next? Jared Allen, DeAndre Hopkins, Adam Thielen, Tyler Boyd, Miles Sanders, Kerryon Johnson. The rookie in the pack goes to the Packers, Josiah DeGuara. Kirk Cousins, Khalil Mack, Jamison Crowder, Matt Stafford, and Cooper Kupp. Next. Chris Godwin, Josh Jacobs, Sam Darnold, Von Elway Miller, DK Metcalf. Oh! Chargers are getting so close. They got a silver Mike Williams. Now they got a green velocity Joshua Kelly. Keyshawn Vaughn, rated rookie for the Bucs. Christian McCaffrey, Saquon, Amari Cooper, Nick Bosa, and Phillip Rivers. So close. We're working on it. All right. Who's next? Tomato Gardner Minshew, Larry Fitzgerald, Dalvin Cook, David Montgomery, Carson Wentz. The T-321 goes to the Steelers. Big Ben. Rookie in the pack, Mekhi Becton for the Jets. Tyrann Mathieu, Christian Wilkins, Mitch Trubisky, Le'Veon Bell, and Terry McLaurin. Washington. All right. So final stack of Optic. Let's keep on cooking. After I'm done opening all these, I'll do a review of the hits, and then I'll upload the video to YouTube and stuff. Here we go with Von Elway Miller, DK, Tomato Gardner Minshew, Fitzy, Dalvin Cook, and a silver goes to the Saints, Tommy Stevens. Anthony McFarland Jr. for the Steelers, rated rookie. Tyrann Mathieu, Christian Wilkins, Mitch Trubisky, Le'Veon Bell, and Terry McLaurin. I don't even know who Tommy Stevens is. Still, like I've seen his card like 80,000 times. I have no idea who he is. David Montgomery, Carson Wentz, Kenny Golladay, Gronk, Julio Jones, recently traded today to Tennessee. So that should be interesting. And here we go. Raiders, the Grand Velocity, Grang, goes to the Raiders. Henry Ruggs III, rated rookie. Quintez Cephas for the Lions, Aaron Donald, Stephon Diggs, Daniel Jones, Zeke, and represent Iowa Hawkeyes, George Kittle coming at you for the Niners. What you doing, Jackie? You buying some deals?
No.
You're not? What happened to the real deals? What?
I might have bought something in there.
Oh, you might have bought something. Okay. Next pack, we got Stephon Gilmore, Baker Mayfield, Juju, Devontae Adams, A.J. Brown, Keenan Allen, and the rookie in the pack goes to the Seahawks. The Hawks, Jordan Brooks, Darius Leonard, Travis Kelce, Mike Gesicki, DJ Moore, and Deshaun Watson. Next. Mark Andrews, Alvin Kamara, Nick Chubb, Derek Carr, Calvin Ridley. The Green Velocity is for the Patriots, Dalton Keene. C.D. Lamb, there we go, Cowboys, rated rookie. Ryan Kerrigan, Jared Goff, Tre'Davious White, Taysom Hill, and Dak Prescott. We trucking, boy. TJ said he recently opened an Optic box in, what was it, TJ? Like 16 minutes? Something like that. He had like 3 hits out of the whole thing. It was pretty brutal. But that's why Optic has more value, I would say, is because they're just a little more stingy with the hits. Prism's probably the most stingy, though. 13 minutes, TJ's break was of an Optic box. I think that'll happen, you know. We got Julian Edelman, AJ Green, Big Ben, Aaron Jones, Ryan Tannehill, and the retro goes to the Colts, Peyton Manning. Represent Iowa Hawkeyes for the Vikes, Nate Stanley. Rookie Garoppolo, Will Fuller, Tyreek Hill, Devontae Parker, and Devin Bush II. All right, guys, last pack of the break. Like I say, definitely check the store, Athletic Robots. I don't want to pound it too much, but pick a team out in the break. H2 Chronicles Hobby. Pick out some teams. Let me know. I'd like to get that one going. Miles Sanders, Kerryon Johnson, Chris Godwin, Jerish Jacobs, Sam Darnold. And the grand velocity goes to the Lions, Jason Huntley. And another Hawkeye, represent Iowa Hawkeyes, A.J. Epinesa for the Bills. Christian McCaffrey, Saquon, Amari Cooper, Nick Bosa, and Phillip Rivers. All right, kids. Give me just a moment here. I'll do a review of the hits. And then, like I say, I'll upload the video to YouTube. I'll get all these packed up and shipped out to you tomorrow. Nice variety of hits. All right.
Moody Prism Black.
TJ's up here saying Mooney Prism Black. Yeah, Dwayne. Thank you. Had a great time. It is a fun time. So thank you. And speaking of Dwayne, the first card in the review, Dwayne got himself a LaVisca Chenault Jr. Prism Black. So nice work. Way to work it. And TJ coming through in the clutch with a Darnell Mooney Prism Black. Yeah. Fresh. So nice hits, guys. The Optic hits, we got a C.D. Lamb, Henry Ruggs, Mike Williams, Denzel Mims, Jason Huntley, Dalton Keene, Tommy Stevens, Joshua Kelly, Albert Okwuegbunam, and Clyde Edwards-Helaire. So those were the Optic hits. And our Chronicles hits, we did get some Tuas. So we got a Tua Legacy, Gridiron Kangs, a couple of those. So we got 3 Tuas. Jalen Hurts, 1, 2. So we got a couple Jalen Hurts. Joey B, 1, 2, 3, 4 Joey B's. And now the Justins. So we got Justin Jefferson, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Justin Jeffersons. And the Justin Herberts, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Justin Herberts. All right. Sweet justice. That feels fantastic. All right, guys. Great break. Had a great time and enjoyed it. Yeah, the Dynagons are cool. Dynagons are rare too, Dwayne. We didn't even pull a Dynagon at all in this break tonight, I don't believe. So, yeah. I was casing all those up, all the Dynagons. I thought they were cool. But thank you guys. I had a great time. I went out to Backbone State Park today with my wife and puppy. So pretty worn out. It was a great day today though. But we'll see you guys on the next round. Yeah, Dwayne, definitely some fire. Great cards. Had a great time. And without further ado, that's all I got, kids. That's the video. That's a wrap. We'll see ya.